Welcome to U Club on Woodward, your premier student accommodation in the heart of vibrant Tallahassee. Your new 4-bedroom apartment features a full-sized bed and a private bedroom and bathroom. Step into a luxurious, fully equipped kitchen, a full-sized refrigerator for fresh groceries all week, and a dishwasher too. Walk-in closets for abundant storage, and an in-unit washer and dryer for breezy laundry days. This property has you covered. Stay focused with 2 academic success centers with IMAX ready to roll. Smash intense workouts at either of the 2 24-hour fitness centers, equipped with free weights and cardio machines. Say goodbye to the stress of finding the perfect flatmates when roommate matching is available too. Always get to class on time with Florida State University and Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University, just a short drive away. For weekend getaways, catch a bus at Woodward Avenue and Delaware Street or West Tennessee Street and Basin Street. So hurry and book your spot at U Club on Woodward, Tallahassee now with amberstudent.com.